Come here, step maybe right here.
Renee Jackson was 20 years old when she became pregnant with her son Ezekiel. She was also unmarried, alone, and afraid.
I thought about the situation for a long time and thought, can I really do this on my own? How could I finish school? Will I finish school? Will I ever have a family? Will I ever have a husband? What about, will someone ever love me and my child? You know, it was difficult, but I was prepared to do it, and I did. I envisioned that God has me under his wing, and that's what kind of got me through my pregnancy.
And she says, faith brought her through her first few years as a single mother. Today, at 25, Renee is happily married and has a second child, Amaya. But her family has continued to grow ever since she ran about volunteer opportunities at New Creation Home Ministries, a ministry that provides Christ-centered housing and support services to teen mothers and their children in East Palo Alto.
We're a holistic ministry. We believe that we want to introduce and articulate Jesus as often as we can to every woman and kid who walks through the door, but we also want to tell them that God has good things for their future and has hope for them, even in circumstances where they wouldn't have expected themselves to be.
Renee signed on as a volunteer, providing childcare for the mothers so they could attend Bible studies.
I instantly felt connected to New Creation Home once I came here. Here I was listening to their stories and the mothers sharing, you know, their personal lives with me, and I'm thinking, wait, that's me, that was me. They look at their situation with a grim outlook. They just don't believe that there is much out there for them. I understand how they feel. I felt like that. But the only thing that gave me hope was the Lord, trusting that he had a plan for me and walking with him and believing that.
So what's new?
It was the first time that I was able to use my testimony and feel like it had a purpose. You know, I was able to relate to some of the mothers, and they were able to be inspired by what the Lord has done in my life.
In Renee's experience, I think she has been somebody who the girls can look up to, and I think the girls have some opportunity to see somebody who has been where they are, has experienced similar things to what she's experienced, and really can speak truth to them about the current situations that they're in, but also paint a picture of what a future can look like for somebody who really follows God, pursues their goals, and moves forward in their lives.
After several years of volunteering, Renee is now on the board of directors. She says she found her voice and her calling at New Creation Home Ministries, and now works for 2 other nonprofit groups as a living skills instructor serving adults with disabilities, and as a residential counselor at a home for teens transitioning out of foster care. Wherever she goes, Renee shares her compassion, her story, and her hope.
At New Creation Home, I think it was pivotal because I actually realized what my testimony was, what I did have to offer. Every day I'm talking to people who have a variety of needs. I'm able to share the news of God, and that's a great thing.